Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today we have a haul from Hunnie Bee Boutique, and I bought these specifically so that I can kind of do like a casual holiday lookbook. So at the end of the video I'll have a little bit of like how I styled all these pieces so you guys can get some inspirations for how you guys can dress up for the holiday. I'll also have the links to everything I got in the description box below so you guys can go check it out. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so recently I've been looking for perfect denim jeans because I always wear like the same ones every day and I just need to switch things up. So this time I decided to try and get black denim pair because I just don't have like a straight fit pair. I only have like the mom jeans, and the material is really good. It's like thick denim instead of the thin ones like you usually see. It's perfect, and on the bottom it has a slit right here, so it kind of makes like a little flared look. I'm so picky with black jeans, but I feel like this is the one, you guys. Alright, so the next one I got is a white knit vest. It's more of a cream color and I hope the camera can catch it. But it's like your typical just knit vest, and I just got it like really oversized in size medium because I kind of want it where it kind of slightly covers my butt. But yeah, this is just a thick, nice quality sweater, and I feel like if you're going to your boyfriend's house or like, I don't know, your grandparents' house, this with like button up underneath and pair of denims, like it's just going to make you look super neat and, I don't know, more like mature look for the family, so you're not like exposing your body or anything like that. So I feel like this is perfect. Then I bought a pair of trousers, and this is a high-waisted trouser, and I don't think the camera is really picking up the color that well, but it's more of a like beige color, white and beige mixed. It's really hard to tell, but yeah, it has a this like little pleated pattern in the front, and then it's just very long. This is elastic on the back, which is perfect, and it has pockets, which is always a bonus for me. And I want to style this with like pair of heels or something like that on the bottom. The next thing I got is a little bit confusing on the camera, but it is a white crop top. It has a front tie over here, and then the sleeves are just pheasant slash like wide sleeve with elastic on the bottom. So I'll be wearing this with the black jeans I got. Hopefully they go together. And I was thinking of throwing on like maybe leather jacket or like a long coat to finish the look. The last thing I got is a two-piece set, and I'll show you guys the top first. It has this like bedazzled straps right here, and then the top is very flouncy and has this like cold shoulder sleeve. Then on the back we have the zipper because you just need to get in this top somehow. It's a little bit stretchy over here by the chest area, which is perfect, so you have a little bit of room. And then this comes with the matching skirt, which is so exciting because I've never had such a flattering skirt before. It is like this, and it's more like a mermaid vibe. It's very ruched, stitched up, and I would say this is kind of like a high-waisted. It looks long, but it's short and it's more high-waisted because the crop top is quite cropped. And then of course on the back we have a zipper. Also in the butt area we have ruched details, and ruched details make your butt look a little bit bigger. It gives you that little effect, which is perfect. And just imagine this with heels. So if you guys just wear these two together, you guys already have the holiday look anyway, so this is perfect. I think I'm gonna be wearing this for New Year's Eve or something like that because the bedazzle just kind of gives like woo New Year's Eve vibe, and then I don't know, like white is just like a new start, I guess. Yeah, I usually wear like either black or white for New Year's Eve, so yeah, this is it for me this year. Alright guys, so let's move on to the lookbook. Okay guys, so that was it for my Hunnie Bee Boutique haul. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite look and what will you guys be wearing for New Year's Eve or even Christmas actually. If you guys are done commenting, then go ahead and click the like button, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!